Hi everybody, welcome to Truewants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a true want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. I do a lot of videos, and I also do a lot of videos that are time sensitive, like deals and things like that. So I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out. And the best way to do that is to press that notification bell. Also, if it's something you don't want to watch right away, but it will sit in your inbox waiting for you to have something fun to watch a little bit later, it's something, like I said, I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. And while I have your attention, I want to make sure the pillow always reminds me to ask you guys to leave me a thumbs up, because then my videos get in front of a larger audience. So those thumbs up mean something, and that's also available right underneath the video. I am excited to share this with you guys, and it looks even better than what I saw online. I was on Amazon.com to do some purchasing that I needed to do for our company, Improving Lifestyles. And what ended up happening, we were looking for shipping bags and tape and stuff, just because we haven't been going to our regular channels to get that. And while I was on Amazon doing that, I kind of took a sneak peek at some other items. And there was a new release that was, I don't know if it's an exclusive to Amazon, but I haven't seen anybody that I was watching talk about these products. And the prices is reasonable, but what you're getting and who it's made by and who the collaboration was blew my mind. So I decided once I had the package coming, I decided to add this to the cart. And when it arrived, I was so pleasantly surprised with the packaging, what it was, what it entailed, that I went back to print out more information on it so I can share it with you guys. So I'm not sure, like I said, if it is an exclusive to Amazon, but it is available on Amazon, which makes it so easy for all of us. And it came in a regular bag, and then inside the bag was this envelope, and everything was packaged in this item here. And I don't know about you, but when I can find drugstore products that are at a reasonable price, and then it's a collaboration with somebody, and this collaboration is with Ashley Graham. And Ashley Graham, to me, she is beautiful. She is a plus size model. Just everything about her, I think, is absolutely fantastic. And I really feel that it's ironic, because Revlon was one of the first foundations that were in the drugstore that was the Color Stay one, that when I was stuck somewhere and the foundation I had wasn't enough, I went to a local drugstore, and that was one of the foundations that I picked up. And it was the lady behind the counter that said to me, you know, this is a good dupe for a more expensive line, and so on and so forth. So Revlon was a product that I tried their foundation, but I really didn't try much else of their products. And more recently, the Revlon, I feel, has really upped their game a little bit. So the fact that they did a collab with, like I said, Ashley Graham, blew my mind. So let me just go through some of this with you, because I'm overly excited. I literally just opened the package and I said, you know what, before I start playing and doing all that, I wanted to sit down and share it with you guys. So that's what I'm doing. So like I said, everything came really beautiful, nothing damaged, everything was great. This was a fantastic way that they packaged it. It came with two items in it. It came with this full-size palette that has a highlighter, some eyeshadows, and a blush, all in one, beautiful. It's called Tropical Vibes, and it came also with a lip kit. This whole thing was under $25. I think it was like $24.46 or things like that. But like I said, I wasn't sure, because I first of all, I haven't been to a drugstore in a while, like I'm sure a lot of you guys. But the card that was inside here came like this. It had this beautiful information on it here, which we'll go through. But on the bottom here, as you can see, it says available at Amazon. So I don't know if this was something Revlon did exclusive with Amazon, but like I said, Amazon is always the place to shop. So this is the kit that we're going to be going through today. But there was a second kit also that I didn't purchase. It was around the same price, But this one included, the second kit was, it's called Tropical Heat was the name of the gloss, which I liked. And if that was sold on its own, I probably would have purchased it. But the second item that was in here was a highlighter for the body. And it was just something for me that I know I'm not going to use. But if this was on its own, I definitely would have purchased it. So just to you know that there's 2 items there that are available on Amazon, 2 different kits. Okay. So what it says on the card, is just for the one that we purchased that we're going to go through today, is called Tropical Pop, and it was curated by Ashley Graham with a limited edition collection with Revlon. And they're saying if you dive into this island-inspired post-beach glow face and eye kit, take your look from beach to pool party with versatile luminous shades in both shimmery and matte finishes. For added shine, apply the lip highlights to complete your post-beach glow. So like I said, really, really excited to have the opportunity to share this with you guys. So this is what the palette looks like here. And the points that were on Amazon simply said, I'm going to just show you guys this up close. So it is a plastic container, it's a plastic shield. There is no mirror, but this is what the items look inside. And to me, these scream summer. So it just, even on the Amazon picture, it was something that I wanted to definitely have in my arsenal. And I wanted to have this to be able to share with you guys as well. So it simply says, get beachy glow courtesy of Ashley Graham, who especially curated these limited edition products and shades inspired by her go-to vacation makeup looks. It says you can use this kit to enhance your natural daytime glow with a subtle touch of sparkle, then take it up a notch with a fun topical pop of color. And then they're telling you what the kit includes. So that's everything here. So I just want to do some quick swatches so you guys can see what this is all about. And I do have, oh, I didn't bring one out here. I'm just going to open up these. I don't know if I've shared this with you guys, but this is from Pacifica. It is 100% vegan, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, glowing glycolic acid orange and vanilla makeup wipes. It came in one of my boxes, and I absolutely enjoy this so much. And the scent of these are just unbelievable. And I keep wanting to move it to where my sink is because I hate that I'm using this one to just take off swatches that I do for you guys, because look at the size of this. It is just unbelievable. And the aroma from it is orange creamsicle. It is so scrumptious. So I've got to make sure to take that and put that near my bathroom sink, because now I'm using it literally just to wipe off swatches, and I hate that I'm using it just for that, because I definitely want to use that to take off my makeup and leave it near my bathroom sink. Okay, so here we go. Here are the, like I said, the items here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch all the eyeshadows first, and then we'll do the highlighter and then the bronzer at the end. So these 4 that are up here, and they have some names that are on the back here, but I'm not going to keep flipping it back and forth, but I just wanted to show you guys the back of the product. So if you wanted to take a screenshot, you can. That's everything there. All right, so here's the first 4. The colors are just beautiful. Look at this. And the fact that I love that a drugstore product is the greenish one, the turquoise one. I'm going to do a second swatch on it because it's my pinky finger, and I think it's my lighter finger, and it's not giving enough punch on there, but it simply might be because it's the pinky finger. So I'm just going to wipe my hands, and then I have a dry towel, and I'm just going to go over that one again, which is there, because it looks spectacular. Yeah, that's the difference. See that? It's just gorgeous. This is unbelievable. I am so excited that I found this, and that you guys through Amazon will be able to get it as well. All right, and that was the top 4. So now I'm going to swatch the bottom 4, which are down here. And these colors are like just stunning. The brown is just a deeper brown, and I'll do those side by side after so you guys will be able to see the difference. And the this one, which is your ring finger, I'm going to do a second swatch on top of it because it's matching my skin tone, and I want to make sure that you guys can see all 4. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Oh my God, I am over the moon with this. All right, so here we go. And I'm just going to do the two browns side by side so you can see what the difference is between the 2 browns up close. And that's what the 2 browns are. So one is cooler and one is softer. One is warmer, one is cooler. Just beautiful. So really, really happy with that. All right, and now I'm gonna swatch the highlighter and then the bronzer, and then we will do the lip gloss next. So now this is the highlighter and this is the bronzer. And here we go. Yeah, beyond perfect. What a palette. So you have a full face in here. You have all your eyeshadows, you have your highlighter, you have your bronzer, and like I said, it was pulled together in such a nice compact palette, and it's lightweight. It'll be easy to take on day trips or wherever you're going, even if it's just from the living room to the kitchen. I think this is a real pick-me-up palette. Really, really happy with this. And then the next item that's in here was a gloss, and this one simply says Tropical Vibes Lip Highlights, and I think that's all that's written on here. And then just her name, and Revlon is just around the barrel there. And let's just do a quick, that's what the doe foot applicator looks like. And we'll do a quick swipe here. Yeah, it is beyond stunning. So I'm gonna do a couple there, and then I'll just do the one right above it. So, okay, there, right on top there. You know what, I'm gonna do it on the other hand so you'll be able to see it a little bit better. Oh, I'm trying to catch it in the light so you guys can see what I'm seeing. It is just stunning. What a gorgeous lip topper. Really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. So excited. So that's the whole kit. You got the highlighter, lip highlighter right on top. You have all the eyeshadows here. We double did the brown, and then you have the highlighter and the bronzer right beside it. And the bronzer is like that perfect bronzer. So excited to be able to share this with you guys. So this is the whole kit. Like I said, it came all packaged perfect in this bag, as well as this silver bag. No damage, everything was perfect. That's what it looks like here. It came with the card, so you'll be able to see this, and then the second choice that's there. This is still available on Amazon.com as I'm filming this, and I wanted to have the opportunity to share it with you guys. I think this is a winner, and it's definitely screams summer to me. Once again, everybody, I want to tell you how much I appreciate you taking time out of your day to spend it with me here, and that you tune in, and that you subscribe, and that you watch, and that you comment. It means everything to me. I would love you guys to share with me in the comments down below if you've been familiar with this palette, if you've seen anybody talk about this palette, because I have not. And it was truly due to Amazon that this popped up in my feed, that they recommended it to me, or I wouldn't have even known to look for it. So really excited to have the opportunity to share it with you guys. And that's it for today. So just want to make sure that you guys leave me those comments down below. And if not, I will see you guys all in my next video. All right, take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.